outside and the night is cold. Everyone's like,
welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEmystyle, and welcome to another Christmas haul video. So you guys, I have been doing lots of DIYs for Christmas, and I hope you have enjoyed that content so far. It's been based around ornaments for my tree, and I have two more, or maybe one more, DIY left. Then we're going to start decorating the trees. I'm so excited. So as I said, I put up 4 trees. One we've already decorated, or I did without you guys, and the other 2 I think I'm going to decorate with you guys, and then the other one I'm just going to put it all together and show you how it looks after. But in today's video, I thought I would share with you my ideas for the tree that we're going to decorate together. And that tree is my black frost Christmas tree. I so love the tree, and it's right behind me or in front of me, and it looks so pretty. You can see there's the other tree that I will be decorating, and there's another one that you cannot see that's also in my family room. And then you see a little bit of decor here that I am working on styling in my entryway. That will be an upcoming video as well. So if you are looking for some modern Christmas decorating inspiration and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEmystyle family, because I have tons of budget-friendly Christmas decorating videos coming up that I think you'll enjoy. And if you like glam, go check out last year's Christmas video. I will put it in the iCards above as well as in the description box below. It was a combination theme. It was restoration hardware here in my lounge and in my family room. It was winter. It was a winter wonderland I called Crystal and Ice, but it was like really glam. So if you're into that, go check out those videos. But let's get on with the things that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. You guys, I have tons of ornaments, but when I got this tree and I picked it up from Walmart, I will leave a link for it in the description box. And I want to apologize in advance for the paper. I still have everything wrapped up because the ornaments that I picked up are glass. So I don't like to pick up glass ornaments, but I saw these and I just had to. So please bear with me. So I picked these up from Hobby Lobby because they were so pretty, and they reminded me of some ornaments that I saw. Sorry guys, I'm just looking for my bags. So let me just put it in my lap. So I saw these really pretty snowflakes, and I picked these up for $1. They were normally $1.99, and as you know, Hobby Lobby is 50% off right now, so I picked up these really cute snowflakes, and I got 10 of these. My theme for the tree that we're going to be decorating is black frost, because the tree is black and it has it looks like it has frost on it, and she's so pretty, and I thought we needed to just make her all out glam. So I did a DIY where I created a crystal garland for her. If you missed that video, I will leave that linked in the description box below, as well as in the iCards above as well. But I needed some other elegant, sophisticated, I'm going to call it jewelry, to go on her. So I picked these up from Hobby Lobby. They were $4.99, so $2.50 each, and they are oh so pretty. Just look at that. So I picked up a bunch of those, and that's all that's in that bag. And I also picked up, what's in here? Oh, this I absolutely love. As I said, I was looking for jewelry to go on her, and look at these guys. Oh, so pretty. They're like little crystal beads, and I thought it would be perfect because the tree is black frost, and this would go perfect on her. So I picked up 10 of these. These were, how much were you? $2.49. So $3, $1.50 a piece, and I thought that was a great deal. So we have that. And I saw these really pretty glass, again, ornaments that I had to pick up. And these are from the Robert Stanley collection. Oh, so pretty. Just look at that. It's like a jewel. It's dark gray, sort of a black color. And I apologize for the shadow. It's overcast today. But I thought these would look perfect on the tree. Whoops. But I'll break them. These were $4.99, so $2.50 a piece. A little pricey for the size, but I absolutely love them. Now, this next ornament I had no intentions of buying until I went into Hobby Lobby, and I remembered that I saw them featured on at Juan's house. And I was like, oh, those are so pretty. And guys, when I saw them in person, she was absolutely correct. And I'm talking about these little ornaments. Now, they are not in my typical colors. You guys know I love to decorate in black and white. However, when I saw these, I thought they were oh so pretty. Look at the sparkle and the bling and the mercury glass. Oh my gosh, absolutely love these. So I thought I could use these on one of my other trees with that decoration. I also have some really pretty glass ornaments that I picked up from Z Gallery several years ago after the season. I think these will go perfect with those ornaments. So I cannot wait to use those to decorate. And last but not least, you guys know that I have been loving those black and white ornaments from CB2. And I have them on my list to get after Christmas because that's when you get the best deal, of course. So I saw these really pretty ornaments. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, they so reminded me of the ornaments from CB2. These were really pricey. These were, how much were you? I can't tell. $11.99. So these were $6 a piece. But look how big it is. And this is going on my black and white tree in the family room. So pretty. Look at that. Absolutely love it. So I cannot wait to use those. And these were flying off the shelves. Like I try to go online to order more. They're all gone. So everybody is on the black and white train. They finally got the, what do you want to call it? A hint, I don't know, finally got on board with black and white. Black and white is trending for this year for Christmas decorating, and it makes my little heart happy, as I said, because I decorate in black and white year round. So I was so excited about that. Now, I told you in another video, things I love at CB2, things that I hope to get after Christmas. Let me show you something. So last year, after Christmas, I ordered some really pretty ornaments from CB2, and I only paid a fraction of the price, and they were $3.50. And it's these really pretty leopard print, I guess you could say, glass ornaments. They are currently available for $8.95. So I am hoping to be able to pick up more after the season because I absolutely love them. Just look at that. So I picked up 4 of these, and also I think these are of the same. Yeah. Hold on, I've got one more. I know I'm all over the place you ready for it? These really pretty ornaments. I did a DIY on them a couple of years ago. If you missed that video, I will leave that link for you, as well as in the iCards above and the description box below. But my DIY does not compare to the actual look of this one in person. This also was after Christmas clearance, and I paid $5 for it, I believe. And of course, I had to get its little brother. Look at that. Oh, so cute. And this one I think was like $3. So I only got the 2. I don't know why I didn't order more. So of course, they're on the list again to get after Christmas at a discount. Cannot wait to use these. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video on the Christmas ornaments that I picked up. Again, my theme for the tree that we're going to be decorating together is Black Frost. I cannot wait to decorate. If you are a glam person and you love a good glam Christmas tree, make sure you subscribe and tap the notification bell so you do not miss the episode where we decorate the Black Frost Christmas tree. And if you're loving the content and you want to see all of my other Christmas decor inspirations, make sure you also are. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I picked up this really pretty black tinsel garland from Z Gallery. It was in their 50% off section, so I got this for $6.50, and I picked up 4 packs. So make sure you subscribe so you can see how my tree turns out. So that's it, guys. That's all I have for you today. But make sure you come back, because my next video is a DIY. It's our final one for our Black Frost tree, and then we're going to decorate. So I hope to see you in the